How to restrict a group chat on Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, there's no way for you to restrict a group chat on Messenger as of right now. It used to be before, but after the last update, that option has disappeared. As you can see, there's only the options to leave the group and block members, etc. But luckily, there's an easy workaround that we can use to restrict any group chat on Messenger. For that, you need to open any browser you have, and you need to go to facebook.com and log into your account and stuff. And after that, once you do that, click on the messages, click on the group chat that you want to restrict, and then click on the icon at the top right of the screen, as you can see next to the group name. Click on it and it will give you a list of options and actions that you can choose from. Midway down the screen you will see that there's an option to ignore messages, so let's click on it. And as you can see, it will take you to this confirmation page that tells you, are you sure you want to ignore this group chat? And it explains that you won't be notified when someone messages this group, and the group will be moved to spam, and they won't tell anyone in the group that the message has been ignored, which is exactly what we want. It's like restricting but with a different name. So just click on ignore messages, and that's it. The group has now been ignored. Let me go back, and the group now has been ignored and restricted, as you can see. So that was it for this video. That's how you can restrict group chat in Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.